An important group of pigmented molecules are the carotenoid pigments. They are primarily made by plants and algae. They are synthesized from fatty acids, and there are more than 1,000 different types of these molecules, which can then have different hues, such as the orange of this orange peel or the yellow of this pepper. These pigments absorb some wavelengths of light and reflect others, and so depending on which ones they reflect, they can appear as yellow, orange, or red. Based on their chemical nature, this great diversity of carotenoids can be divided into the carotenes, which lack oxygen, such as the beta-carotene of the color of carrots, pumpkins, and the orange peel, and the more yellow color of the xanthophylls, like the lutein, which gave the color to the yellow pepper. These molecules possess oxygen atoms. These pigments are synthesized by the plant because they benefit the plant. They absorb light energy, and this energy can be transferred to chlorophyll and thus enhance the photosynthetic capacity. However, they are also very important in protection because the photosynthetic machinery inside the cell has a capacity at which it can work. And when light is very intense, a plant leaf can absorb more light than it can use for photosynthesis. And this excess light energy can damage the plant leaf. And so an important role of these carotenoid pigments is to protect leaves from excess sun energy, which exceeds their ability to utilize it in photosynthesis. In autumn, the yellow foliage, and in some plants such as sugar maple, the orange foliage, is the result of the carotenoids which have always been present. They are simply masked in spring and summer by the presence of green chlorophyll. So these yellow and orange pigments are there, they simply are not noticed. In autumn, chlorophyll synthesis stops and the existing chlorophyll degrades. And so as plant leaves lose their green color, then one observes the yellow and orange pigments, the orange carotenes and the yellow xanthophylls, which were always present but simply not noticed. Thus, these yellow and orange pigments are produced by subtraction, by removing chlorophyll, and that is different from how red pigments occur in autumn, as I will discuss in another video.